Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope that you are all safe. We will see the geometry. Then I will tell with the top, bottom, inside, outside, above, below. Shall we start our class? Are you ready for the class? Shall we begin? Today, as I said, we will be learning a lot of new things. What meaning of geometry? What meaning of geometry? Geometry is something where we will be learning about comparisons. What is called of comparisons? Comparison is something when I am comparing two different objects. For example, I have two pencils. I have two pencils. This pencil is big. This pencil is small. What do you understand? This I am comparing two different objects. Shall we begin our class? All of you take the math book. Page 1. Now first topic is comparisons. First we see some keywords. Top, bottom, inside, outside, on, under, above, below, near, far, big, small. Let us sing a song. Shall we read the poem once again? Let us sing a song. Okay. Sit, sit, sit. Sit inside the class. Jump, jump, jump. Jump on the floor. Growl, growl, growl. Growl under the table. Go, go, go. Go far from the table. Come, come, come. Come near the board. Play, play, play. Play outside the class. Shall we read the poem once again? Okay. Sit, sit, sit. Sit inside the class. Jump, jump, jump. Jump on the floor. Growl, growl, growl. Growl under the table. Go, go, go. Go far from the table. Come, come, come. Come near the board. Play, play, play. Play outside the class. Okay, students, take the page 2. All of you see the keywords. Top, bottom. Top, bottom. T-O-P. Top. Say again. T-O-P. Top. B-O-T-T-O-M. Bottom. Top means mele, bottom means keele. Top means something which is kept above. Bottom means something which is kept below. For example, the pencil is kept top in my book. The pencil is kept bottom in my book. Look at this picture. How many books are there? There are 4 books. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. First book. What is the color of the first book? Red. Then green. Then pink. Then blue. Where is the blue book placed? Where is the blue book placed? The blue book is placed on the top. The blue book is placed on the top. Where is the red book placed? Where is the red book placed? The red book is placed on the bottom. Shall we see the one more example? Next practice. Okay. All of you take the pencil. Students, all of you take the pencil. What you see in this picture? What you see in this picture? The 2 boys are playing in the slide. The 2 boys are playing in the slide. Who is bottom on the slide? Who is bottom on the slide? The first one is true. The first one is true. Okay. Tick the boy at the bottom of the slide. The first boy one is true. You tick. Okay. The second boy is top. The second boy is top. Okay. More than example. Tick the pot at the top. Tick the pot at the top. Which pot is top? Which pot is top? Which pot is top? The smallest pot is top. The smallest pot is top. Tick the pot at the top. The smallest pot is top. You tick this one. Okay. Next one. Here one boy is very confusion. How will you arrange this item inside the bag? How will you arrange these items inside the bag? Which item kept on bottom? Which item kept on bottom? Which item kept on top? Coconut is a heavy object. Coconut is the heavy object. So, first we arrange coconut. First we arrange coconut. Bottom of the bag. We arrange onions in the bag item. We arrange onions in the bag item because onions are heavier than the eggs. At top of the bag we arrange egg. First we arrange coconut bottom of the bag. Next we arrange onions in the bag item because onions are heavier than the eggs. At the top of the bag we arrange eggs. Okay students. Page 3. Inside, outside. Inside, outside. Inside means உள்ளே. Outside means வெளியே. Inside means உள்ளே. Outside means வெளியே. Papaya has its seeds inside. Papaya has its seeds inside. Papaya உள்ள seedsலாம் உள்ளுக்குள்ள இருக்கு. அப்ப papaya has its seeds inside. Cashew has its nut outside. Cashew has its nut outside. Okay, students, tick the dog inside the canal. Tick the dog inside the canal. You see the students, two dogs here. One dog is inside, one dog is outside. One dog is inside, other dog is outside. You tick the dog inside the canal. Which is inside the canal? This dog. You tick this one. Okay. Next one. Circle the bird outside the nest. Circle the bird outside the nest. Which bird is outside? This bird is outside. You circle this bird. You circle this bird. Okay, students. Next one. What is this game? This game name is football. This game carom. Okay. Where will you play these games? This game play outside. This game play inside. Okay, my dear students. Okay, my dear students. I request you all to study the keywords with the help of your parents. Thank you all. Keywords this one.